Hey, welcome back! In this video I'll explain how this course works and how you can get the most out of it. This course will be taught with an example. Each lesson represents a step in the design process that will be applied to the app we'll be building. We'll use an existing app, not a fake app as the example. Design is anchored in reality, therefore it's in my opinion way more valuable to work with something that already exists and has proven to work well. I've chosen Instagram because everyone is already familiar with it and it is pretty well designed. We'll work on the iOS version of Instagram, but apart from a few conventions, designing for iOS and Android is pretty similar. Once you've learned how to design for iOS, it will be very easy to design for Android too. And don't worry if you don't have an iPhone, you don't need one. We'll start the course with a few lessons about UX research techniques that will help you create the concept of your app. We'll then build the mockups of the app, and once our mockups are ready, we'll spend some time discussing things like typography and colors in the visual concept section. Then, we'll design and redesign the app, and finally we'll take care of the export and of the icon. What I'm offering you is a complete workflow that will take you from the very start of the design process, your idea, to a complete design of your app. But if you're confident you already know exactly what you want to build, and that what you need right now is to learn how to use a design software, then feel free to start directly with the design and the redesign part of the course. You can always watch the classes you've skipped later when you have more time. Whichever path you choose, the best way to take this course is to apply the instructions given in each lesson twice. First on the sample app, then on a personal project. If you don't have a personal project, identify a small problem that you or people you know have, and that you could solve with the mobile app. Don't worry if your idea seems trivial. Your goal is not to build a multi-millions business, but to get you used to apply the concepts you've learned to different challenges. If you have a hard time coming up with an idea, try to identify the problems the apps you have on your phone are trying to solve. Choose one and start from that and try to forget how the app is currently solving the problem and what its interface looks like. If you already have a personal project, like your startup product for example, and have already started working on it, it's great. But you can also consider choosing another personal project in order to really start from the beginning for the sake of the course. It's up to you. If you follow the instructions during the videos, then apply everything you've learned and done for the example app to your personal project. You'll really get the most out of this course. Make sure to download the files attached to this lesson. They will be useful during the whole course. You'll find 3 folders. The cheat sheets are summaries of what I'll be teaching you in the course that I made for you. So if there's something you don't remember and you're not sure about, just have a look in there. The lesson files are all the files we'll design during this course, ordered by lessons. You often have a start file and a complete file. The start file is the file you should open at the beginning of a lesson, and the complete file allows you to compare your work with mine at the end of the lesson. And I put the templates that we will use and some more that you might need later in the templates folder. Okay, so let's get started now. I'll see you in the next video.